You about to go get your eyebrows today?
No, I need to. I won't do it today, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Shaded content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers today. And today we're just doing another updated video on our brand new 22 by 60 inch sheets, guys. We're doing another video because after we released the last one, we had a bunch of people on the website be like, I went to the website, I don't see it. I don't see it. And I'm like, I was checking mobile, web, different browsers, incognito, like we were checking everything. And we're like, it's on the website. I don't know how people.
It's the first flyer on the front page. We try to make it very visible so it's very user friendly. So
yes.
Maybe they were just using another link that took them to the free stock images. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's
FlashCustomTransfers.com. It's right there. Now, the website is a little different now because for the theme, I went and changed it for Thanksgiving. But again, the big flyer, it's the #1 flyer as soon as you get there. And again, I'll show you guys how to get there. I'll show you guys right now on the computer. Let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you guys where to click and where to purchase it. Computer, just in case you want to download some awesome free images while you're here or check out our other products. So you're going to come over here to flashcustomtransfers.com. You're going to scroll down, then this right here, you can either click this picture. This will take you there. You can click buy now. That will take you there. Oh, sweet. Look, we also still have Astro's pre-made sheets. And then this picture right here. So all of these will take you directly to the place to purchase our brand new 22 by 60 sheets. And let me know if you guys like the website. I did a Thanksgiving theme, put the turkey down there, got the turkeys in the background. So as you guys can see, these are the $44.99, $45, 22 by 60s. Again, they're right here on the website. And again, this is just a derivative of the original 22 by 24, which are still on the website. Those will always be our original OG beautiful gang sheets, and those are right here as well. The 22 by 24, but if you want the 22 by 60 for only $45, 2.5 sheets, that's what it comes out to, guys. You can also click this picture right here. This is how you do it. Just come on over, very simple, flashcustomtransfers.com. Come on over here, click it, and then don't forget, you got the afterpay, and then, but if you need local pickup, just hit store pickup and then you won't be paying any shipping. But if you do need shipping, it's $13. And remember, everything over $99 I think is free shipping. Just as long, if it's not free shipping, definitely email us and say, hey, it's not working or something like that. But if you do over $99 at the cart, it should eliminate shipping. But if it doesn't, remember, just email us, or you can also try that free ship code, free ship, one word at the end, and that should make your shipping free if it's over $99. And don't forget, we got free stock images as well. We got a bunch coming, but we got the Astros, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So go ahead, get the jump on all your Christmas ugly sweaters and stuff like that. We're going to be uploading a lot more, guys. So yep, let's go ahead and get back into the video. Okay, so as you guys seen right there, you were able to just go to flashcustomtransfers.com and it's right there, the big picture at the top. And then whenever you go down to the other products that we have, if you notice, we removed a lot of the Halloween and breast cancer stuff for the month of October. And now we kind of cleaned up the website. So it's just the Thanksgiving pre-made gang sheets and the one new flyer for the 22 by 60. Now, whenever you click that, just wanted to let you guys know, because this is another question. Somebody got there and in the wordage, you see variant. You see 22 by 24 variant. Well, yes, the 22 by 60 is a variant of the original 22 by 24. So if we were to, which we are not going to do, so let's use a fake number. If we were to do a 48 by 20,000, that would be a variant of 22 by 24. So do not get confused when you click on the flyer that says $44.99, 22 by 60, that's what you're gonna get. Just wanted to let you guys know.
And just because we moved the pre-made Halloween sheets and pre-made breast cancer sheets, they are still on the website under pre-made. I think they have their own tabs.
Yeah, so whenever you go to pre-made sheets, you'll see under there a bunch, I don't know, well, on a computer, it'll drop down nice and easy for you, but for mobile, you have to click the 3 lines, and then when you go under there, you will see 4 or 5 subcategories.
Yeah, so they are still there. We are still having people still order the Halloween gang sheets, which is, hey, to each own. If you want to have Halloween all year, they are there for you, and for $15.
Yes,
we will never change the pre-made gang sheets as of now. And then we still have the free stock images available. So just because they're not on the front page, they are in the website. So please enjoy those.
Yeah, and the bundles too. Those are still on the website too. Just click the 3 dots if you're on 3 lines if you're on mobile, and just click more if you're on a computer. And we prefer that you guys purchase from a computer because then you really get the whole experience of the website. Yeah, it's a lot more it's
detailed. And you can see more.
You can see more.
Yeah, the mobile is very limited.
You could download your images from there, right? The free stock images, which we have. Chelly. Oh, we just did the Christmas.
Yeah.
The Christmas.
Did we put the pre-mades up?
No, but the pre-mades are done. We have at least 3 pre-mades done. Yes. I'm working on the 4th one. Yes, and we will put those up this month. Yes, so that you guys can get a jump.
The free stock images Christmas are available for instant download.
And there's a lot of free-made Christmas images. Maybe we'll just do a, what is it?
Free stock images.
Free stock images. There's a lot of free stock Christmas images. Oh my God. It's the biggest bundle that we've ever had. Yeah. Because what's the number on the, there's not even a number on it. Yeah, it's that big. Many. Yeah, it's what do you say, 500 to 1,000 images?
Yeah,
it's a lot. So many images.
Have fun, enjoy.
Have fun, enjoy. That's why we're only making 4 pre-made gang sheets because there's like 1,000 images. So we would have to sit there all day and come up with different variations. So we did our best. Chelly did 2 and I did 2. Yes, and I'm not even done with my, no, I'm done with my 3rd. I'm working on my 4th. Yep, so.
Just quick, easy pre-made sheets, something to get you through the season. Like we said, you're more than welcome to create your own, use ours, free stock images or not, but just to kind of get you started.
Yes. And anything you want to touch on with the questions that you've been getting? They were kind of slow. The 22 by 60 sheets were kind of slow.
No, I knew they were going to burst through the door. The first 2 days, a lot of inquiries on social media. My social media has been going crazy with these 22 by 60s with so many questions. So every minute I'm answering questions. So I think we've been having a lot of positive feedback. Okay. So then the next 2 days, we've been getting the orders. Okay. So today, we've been getting a lot of 22 by 60. So you guys are really enjoying those. So I'm happy.
And guys, don't forget, because we get a lot of these questions. We get a lot of people kind of halt their own process. And we're going to create this other video as well. But a lot of people out there, if you guys are watching this for the first time, or if you kind of have been watching us, but you haven't necessarily ordered, do not think that you are obligated to create a 22 by 60 gang or 22 by 24 gang sheet. You are not obligated to create it. All you have to do is you can go on the website and purchase one 22 by 24 or one 22 by 60, and then email us your images and Chelly and Marianne will create a sheet for you.
Yes, and you will get a free consultation as well. We're gonna take a look at your images, see the resolution, if it's high resolution, low resolution, a vector file, we may ask you for a vector file. So it's a free consultation and your initial email. And then we get to the setting up your images, your dimensions, you know, the details, like I want 4 of these, 1 of these, 3 of these types of details. So if you can include all of those in the initial email, it'll just help the process go a little faster.
Yes, exactly. Yep, because then we don't have to go back and forth because that's what do you need white shirts? Do you need this one?
What size? What color? What sizes? Yeah, which is, you know, fine, but a lot of people, you know, need their stuff chop. So if you need it in a timely manner, just be sure to have all your information ready.
Yeah, because that definitely does speed up the process. And we try our best here to make it a 2 to 4 day process. Yes. But it can't, you know, if you're at work and you sent your email before you went to work.
Yes, and we get a lot of that.
And then you don't care, you know what I mean?
They're like, sorry, I was working all day, which I get it. Yeah. But, you know, we're not responsible for the timeline that we are now on because of that. So we just want you to be very mindful. Yeah, guys, because to tell you the truth, Chelly sits at the computer. Even right now before this video, she was answering emails. You know what I mean? And she'll sit at the computer at 9 o'clock at night. I'm waiting on a reply. And that's just courteous. Like I'm not even gonna say the words, you know, the typical, we don't have to do that, because that's what a lot of business people say. Well, we don't have to do that. Well then, you know what I mean? You can't run a business if you're thinking like that. That's what sets us aside from being different. And we do get a lot of recognition for that. Like on our last live, the lady was like, I can't believe Chelly was awake, you know, emailing me that late at night, because she emailed me. And I was like, oh, let me, you know, I'm on it. And, you know, it just really is a surprise to people that I'm up emailing at all nights of the hour. All hours of the night. It's random. Yeah, it is random.
Yeah, it's just, don't think there's normal.
No. I'll be like, let me tap in real quick.
Yes, exactly.
Or sometimes I'll be like, hey, 8 o'clock, I'm done. Like, I'm tired.
But we want to just offer that to you guys and just let you know that those are things that we do behind the scenes. Those are things that we don't take our customers for granted. Not from the person who orders 1 sheet to the person who orders, 200 sheets. We don't take any customer for granted. So if we can do it and we have the time, we give 100% of our dedication to Flash Custom Transfers. If we are somehow not at the computer or doing something, it's because we've got something else going on. Like Chelly's been dealing with, a cold lately. She's on cold medicine right now and stuff like that. So again, these are things behind the scenes.
Or filming.
Or filming,
yeah.
Or filming.
Like I have to take breaks
3 videos
like
today.
We have to do 3 videos.
3 videos today. So this is
like,
1 of 3 or 4. So
yeah,
it's just, we just wanted to let you guys know that hopefully we cleared up some information, showed you guys how to purchase the 22 by 60. It is on the website. I don't know how maybe they're trying to spam us or play with us. It's on the website, guys. I promise. Go there. And we left the thumbnail for the 22 by 60 different. You can't miss it. It's white. It's white, red. Chelly created it. It looks very different than everything else on the website because everything else now on the website is like Thanksgiving themed. 22 by 60 thumbnail is different. You cannot miss it. It says it, guys. Please go purchase. Again, it's only $45 for this. As you guys can see, this is a 6-foot table and it's only, 6 foot. It's only 12 inches away.
5 feet.
5.5 feet. No, 5 feet. 5 feet.
Not 5
Yeah, so this is 1 foot. Yeah.
5 feet
Oh, yeah, if you pull it down on me, yeah.
Crazy, amazing images.
Yes. And again, let me just show this really quick as we kind of about to end this video. And make sure you guys also go to Flash Custom Transfers YouTube as well, because we're about to put up a bunch of new content. So when Chelly was mentioning some of the graphics that you guys may send us, I just wanted to touch on this. From afar, this looks great, right? From afar, this looks great. But whenever I bring it in, you can start to see, even on the camera, see like the little fading there, the little pixelization there in Goku's arm. You can start to see that. Now this right here, all this presses out. But as you can see the pixelization, but from afar and even on a shirt, this looks smooth and clean. So again, we just wanted to tell you that these images, you're not obligated to vector them, but Chelly and I are working on a way to, and this is print ready. Like this is fine for this customer. He sent us these images. Thank you for doing that. But these on a shirt far away look just fine, right? They're print. Now, of course, they're not as smooth because they're not fully vectored, but we just want to let you guys know, and this is another video that we're gonna work on. We're going to work on a way, allow this quality and higher through Canva building your gang sheet. We're working on that. We think we have a way, but we just need to do a little bit more testing, but we think we have a way where you can do it through, well, no, we know for a fact, Chelly figured it out 100%. If you use all of Canva's images, all their images, they can all be exported properly as SVG. So if you're using like you're dragging, you go to elements and whatever, and you're using Canva images, 100%, all of those are top-notch quality SVG images as long as you're exporting as SVG and then sending that to us because we're going to get it and export it as PNG and print it. But we just got to test a few other images as well just to see. But yeah, so that's going to be a big video so that we can release it for you guys. Right? Anything else you want to touch on? Or?
No, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Just
so guys,
kind of get them ready for the 22 by 60.
22 by 60, guys. Again, let's see if we can we'll hold it like this. Hold your end. For the thumbnail? No, you ain't got to see it.
I can't see if I hold it like this.
All right, guys, so that's going to be it. Again, 22 by 60 gang sheet. They are on the website. I promise they are truly on the website. Go buy them now. Also, check out all of our other products, our free stock images. We are coming out with a bunch of new stuff going into Christmas. So many new things. We're going to touch on other videos. But also jump on over to Flash Custom Transfers because we're going to shoot another video for Flash Custom Transfers as well. So don't forget, we have 2 YouTube channels, Straight Outta Content and Flash Custom Transfers. And Chelly, she's really the top member over there at Flash Custom Transfers. She handles everything.
There ain't no members over there.
Yeah, no. No, they be subscribing. They be subscribing. All right, guys. Be basic. Peace. She said ain't no members.
There ain't no members over there.